Okay, so I am at a polling booth in Pune. I've been here since morning. And I know that Maharashtra numbers are quite less at this point, but this indicates otherwise, at least this polling booth indicate otherwise. I'm just going to show you the long queues here, where citizens here exercising their franchise. I'm just going to go across to one of the individuals. I can see you've hurt your leg, yet you've come here to exercise your franchise. So tell us about the issues that you're voting for this time.
The issues I'm voting for. So right now I think the most important issue for India is to produce its own fuel. So the biofuel sector is something that the government is pushing for a lot, and that can be a game changer for the whole country.
Okay.
So
All right.
that's the most important issue. Yeah.
All right. So biofuel sector, and hats off to you for coming out to vote despite this. Also, you've been standing here for quite some time, I can see, and this is great. This is a polling booth where we've been witnessing long queues since 6:30 a.m. actually. So tell us, what are you voting for this time?
I'm voting for stability and I'm voting for economic progress.
Okay. What changes would you like to see in an urban center like Pune?
It's not easy to comment on one thing, but I think most of all is cleanliness, because we live in an area like Kalyani Nagar. Cleanliness is apt, which has not been happening. So we would want to see some change, I think, which is essential. So let's see
All right.
where we get to.
All right. So a lot of changes that the residents here want to see. I'm not sure whether you can hear me because my phone's disconnected. But as I mentioned before, this is, some great turnout that we are witnessing in Pune at this point. Of course, Maharashtra numbers are quite less. But certainly this is encouraging as far as the state is concerned.
Well, anecdotally, that particular polling station is doing exceedingly well, but the Maharashtra numbers are abysmal, and, voter confusion could perhaps be one of the reasons. I mean, look at how splintered this election is as far as Maharashtra is concerned. Thanks, Radhika, for joining us.